3 dishes. The first one being green ribbon rolls. With one is very nutritious vegetable. Vegetable. It's sushi-like, very easy to make with a dip. And the second one is, there are 2 things in it, in the cascade of sunset avil cascade. Sunset because it has a sunset color gradient to it, and there is avil, and there's 2 different, one is a drink and the other one is like a snack.
Hi, we are team 2. Our theme, we've based it on Christmas. So we have
First one is mini Mary cheese. We've used bread, then we've used English cucumber, then we've used paneer. The filling in between is mixed with paneer, mint leaves, there's coriander, garlic mixed, and then...
So we have the sandwiches, which are lower in calories, high in fiber, and the Nutri-Cups have yogurt, they're higher in protein.
We have nuts and seeds providing essential nutrients.
So this is Nutri-Cup and this is our garden veg.
We have prepared a healthy, balanced nutritional plate, which will be a healthy option for snacks. So this is basically Nutri-Burst coconut orbs, which consists of coconut gratings and puffed rice on the outside. Inside is curd with saffron, and inside is fruits, chopped fruits and nuts, honey. And this is basically coconut water, lemon, mint, and chia seeds.
So we are South Indian brothers. We have made a dish which is very feasible for everyone. This is the custard, Kerala style custard. This is the pichadi, guava pichadi, which is Tamil style. This is the gugri, which is Karnataka style. And we have some dry fruits also, and we also have lemonade. It consists a total nutritive value of 405 to 415 kilocalories of energy, and 14 to 15 grams of proteins, 15 to 18 grams of fats, and it has a high amount of fibers also, which is good for if there is any digestion.
Team 6, this is vegetable sandwich, this is snack bites, this is sprout salad, this is cucumber boat, this is srikhand, and this is lemon iced tea. These are all nutritious food.
This is rainbow bowl, so we've added many colors of fruits. So the more the number of colors, the more nutritious it is. It is also antioxidant, and it helps with your skin and daily life.